Hello, everybody. Welcome to OctaSec. Today, we're going to take a deep dive to the world is one of the most dangerous, most sophisticated, and most exclusive now on YouTube. Cons that based on artificial intelligence. Deepfake. And channel being kidnapped. Fake program that install malware on your computer. This one is very important also to protect yourself to understand how attacker work today. So in the last year, we see something truly significant. Deepfake becomes so good, so real, that we sometimes don't understand what is real and what is not. It's not just a it's not just a funny filter. It's a tech tool, it's a weapon, and it's happened here on YouTube on a daily basis. So AI can fake a voice that speak exactly like a real person. It can take an old video and to implant on him a new voice, create a fake message that look authentic. And in YouTube, it's very dangerous because people are used to believe to the creator that they like me. And I want to start from the biggest case ever, Elon Musk. If there's something that become a symbol of cons on NI, it's him. Why? Because the attacker knows that the public believe him, especially in the subject of crypto. So how does it work? Attacker take a video of Musk. They replace the call with AI voice cloning, synchronize the leaks, put a Lego of Tesla or SpaceX, and above all this is send one Bitcoin, get two Bitcoin. A person, 82 years old, invested like a half million because of a deep fake video. There's a deepfake video that gets to a hundred and thousands of views, and there are even ads that promises a gift of $2 million. They look so real that people are actually falling. Even I saw the Elon Musk invest in Tesla or something like that, and oh, this will be a good investment until I thought it's too good to be real, so it's probably fake or something. Why it's so convincing? Because Musk really talked about crypto. A algorithm pushes content like that because they get involvement. People do not imagine that things like that are really fake in this level. So now we get to the most dangerous thing on YouTube. Fake live with 1,000 views that bases on a channel that been hacked. So how the attacker does that? They hack a big channel, delete all the content, replace the logo and the name to CNN, SpaceX, or Tesla, or something that look credible. They broadcast a fake live with deep fake of Elon Musk or another CEO. They bombarded the screen message, limit crypto event, scan QR codes now, and double your money or stuff like that. And the real number are crazy. A channel with a half million subscribers got hacked and broadcast a live fake. There was 81,000 viewers, some of bot, but some of them real. They are stolen $50,000 in minute. There was cases of authenticated channels with 1 million subscribers that got kidnapped. How does it look to the viewer? The logo look real, the sound real, and the chat is closed, so the one we get, people don't comment. This is not the real channel. This is not an update of bot. Over 75 Bitcoin sent already. It is look real in the dangerous level. So let's talk about something that big network that called YouTube Ghost Network. That is a network that its purpose is to spread malwares to download videos. How does the scam look? Photoshop cracked 2025 free download, premium VPN free, cyber security tools pro, no license needed. And in the link there's a link for a zip, and in the zip there is a stealer that intended to steal password, wallet, cookies, Discord account, crypto, bank details. How big it is? For above videos. One video got to 223 views, and channels with 100,000 subscribers was used to advertise, and the attacker even created a positive comment on this fake software, so everything will look real. Why does it work? Because people's concerned about money and want a free software, especially kids and teenagers. So why people fall to the things that look so ridiculous? Because AI got really convincing. There is a real voice, real face, slick video, and YouTube. People took video as credible. And when you see a video on YouTube, you are is got authorized, but the truth, it's all automatic. People want to believe in opportunity, a gift, sale, a one-time investment, passive income, and stuff like that. And the amount interaction is astounding. What you do, like comments, views, and it's look like everybody participating. So how do you spot fake advertising YouTube or fake? No real person does send one, get two for free. Live without a chat is almost also positive for fraud. A broadcast that something that isn't related to him probably being hacked. Zip file with a password, it's 90% malware. Visual logo, uh, a nice visual logo doesn't prove anything. If somebody make you to do something, and someone forces you to do something, or said now or never, or you got only 20 minutes to decide, is possibly a fact. If this is you to understand how cons work now on YouTube, do a like, subscribe, and give us a comment, and share it so other people will not fall into those traps. So I'm thank you for OctaSec. Keeping you safe. We are in the curtain of the internet, and see you in the next video. Goodbye, guys.